from the I'm here at a Niue Wellbeing Day in Otahuhu. It's packed.
We sing food, come get your food now, camp, but just need some
Yeah, packed. We got an ear clinic, we got vaccinations, we got cancer screening, I think we got bowel screening, lots of arts and crafts. It's packed in there. It's almost like it's a party. Got a band, live band, Malcolm and Mone Lakatani singing. Damn. So we also got our Otahuhu Niue class here to practice their Otahuhu. So it's a packed day. The Reverend's the MC. He's just doing his thing now. So I'll go on and see how it goes. If it all goes well. Okay. See you after at the end. Whakaalofa Mako, it's the next day. We're just having a debrief of how the day went, and I'm here with one of the takitakis. Just give some feedback. Yeah, it was a great day. Didn't have time to record.
Oh, we're talking here. Oh, okay then. Whakaalofa here too. Yeah, Mum, do you want to come stand with me? Hey, Whakaalofa.
come back, yeah.
They've come from their walk. We're just here thinking of the day and also of our lady who didn't make it.
Yeah, matua whalila.
Yeah.
But it's just to say that in a way it was a blessing because we were all there with her before she went to the hospital. She was there and doing the things she loves doing, turning up and supporting. She's a very kind-hearted, vibrant woman, and she was 89 years old. But the day went well, and
so we're just thinking of her first.
Yeah.
First and foremost, and also just thanking our Heavenly Father for a wonderful day. But we felt like we achieved the objectives of the day, which really was to look at that Mo'i Ola Ola strategic plan for Niue Wellbeing, and so that's essentially what the day was funded to do, and I think we did it in action. So that was really good. Really acknowledge everyone who came, because as you can see, it's a group effort. It wouldn't have happened if you didn't come along. So if you were one of the people who came yesterday, just want to appreciate your time. And remember, hopefully there's more, as we're stronger together when we come together as a Niue community, and it was excellent. Also all our non-Niuean supporters that came along too. Wonderful, all the wonderful support. From the little children to Pasifika family group who came with their vans, to the wonderful Fuimono Dr. Kaupolo Tuendeman, and everyone else in between, all our families and friends. It was excellent. So yeah, achieved 3 objectives we were after, was to present the Niue Wellbeing Plan for those who hadn't been there, endorse the plan for those who were there present, and also think about what we can do in the future. And so thank you for those who filled out the survey too. Whakawelahi.
Whakawelahi, and it was really good. And also Dr. Karaponi Gafa and her husband, it was really nice for her to come and for the people to see her. And also those who tuned in, and I do apologize about the Zoom link. I know that some of you joined in but couldn't get link into the Zoom, but it was a great day.
Thanks Darren, Clarissa,
yes,
Malingi, he spoke to the crowd.
Who said, hey, after nice.
And Mille spoke to the crowd.
Yes, it
Johnny.
was really, it was really,
guys.
really good. It was, as you said, Stephanie. But an interesting thing, I went around to the Mama Tour and said, what do you think, and this about the plan, what the Mama Tour who's there, the elders in the groups, don't drag it. No, we agree, we support it, we endorse it. Cool. And I asked, what would you like to see change? And one matua, especially the matua Sina Panama, who is the Niue community leader for the Niue community today. She said to me, when I went around to the group, she said, Mali, no, don't drag. We trust each other and we trust you and your team developing this plan. And let's do it, because otherwise we keep on talking and then another year come, another year gone, and we're still in the talking phase. So really appreciate the hard work, and so is many others. But they do want another well-being day, and it's something that the team needs to look at. But it's just grateful. The day went, even the entertainment, our MC for the day, Vika Inga Mokole, the band, the Lakatan, they love the band, because DJ is not thing, but that band was really awesome.
Keep up the action, everyone. Keep up the action at home with your families, and yeah, God bless.
God bless, and today's Father's Day to all the fathers. God bless. It was really good, fantastic, and the Tūtara Whakaniue team was there. It was great. Mitaki lahi, tō tahe mitaki aho si furufurola. Whakamare mole ni ke tau kau I tua I akalana ne lali ke matutaki mai he sum. He peaki ni ka hai e tau kawehila si wharu, matutaki mai wharu ai maua. Whakamare mole atu ki ai kai mawhala. Talia he tau matakau osi ne afi, e palana hatau toru ke he mui o laola, Niue mui o laola. Haia, tō riu ke whereweia whoki, kai amamanaki ke whereweia he aho uwhu mataha ia o ke topa, koe launch ia he Niue mui o laola strategic plan ki Mangere. Haia, munui ne aho kia me aho tō mamatua, whakawelahi
Munui ne aho.
Haia, matau, ma John. Ko te ke o hui ke shop.
Whakoi, there you have it from the...
My feedback is the feedback's too long.
You have to feedback on your own speech. Oh,
Haia, whakawelahi.
Yeah.
Whakawelahi matau ka.
Okay.